Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. Today we are upgrading avocado toast, grilled, smoky and finished with bacon and eggs. For this recipe we will be using fresh avocados, eggs, slices of bread, bacon, olive oil, salt, black pepper, lemon juice and some chopped parsley for garnish. After cutting 4 slices of your favorite bread, brush them with olive oil on both sides. Next, it's time for the avocados. Place them under the grill, cut side up, and brush with olive oil. Grill them for about 4 minutes, just long enough to warm them through and bring out their lovely flavor. Once the avocados are done, I scoop the avocado flesh out onto a plate and season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Using a fork, mash the avocado until it's nice and smooth. Then squeeze in about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and mix it all. Back to the oven. Grill the bacon for about 8 minutes, flipping once until crispy and golden. Then, grill the bread brushed with olive oil for 2 minutes per side until perfectly crispy. While that's happening, we fry 4 eggs just the way we like them and set them aside. With everything coming together, it's time to assemble. I spread a generous layer of mashed avocado over the grilled toast. Next, I layer 2 slices of crispy grilled bacon onto each slice of toast, followed by the fried eggs. Just one last step. Place the fried eggs on top and it's almost ready to serve. And for the finishing touch, we sprinkle a pinch of salt and some freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. And there it is, beautifully presented and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching Cooking with the Darlings, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!